If your Samsung Smart TV SolarCell Remote isn't working or has become slow, laggy or unresponsive, then I'll show you some basic troubleshoots that will help fix your remote in no time. First, we will check if our remote is working properly. We will test this by opening our smartphone camera. Then, point the remote at the camera and press the power button. You should see the infrared light, as you can see here. If you do see it, then your solar remote may have unpaired itself from the TV. To pair it back, hold down the return and play pause button for 5 seconds. The remote's LED will start blinking, and you should see the pairing pop-up on your TV. If you don't see the pop-up, just press any button on your remote and you should get it. Wait till it's connected, and then you can start using your remote without any issues. But if you don't see the infrared light through the camera, then your remote may have run out of charge. First, we will check if the solar cell has any plastic foil covering it. That may be preventing it from charging. Then, to charge your remote, place it in a well-lit place with the bottom side up. Or you can also charge it with a Type-C cable. Plug it into the port that's on the bottom of your remote, and the LED should light up, which means it's charging. It will turn off when your remote is fully charged. Now your remote should start working. If your remote still doesn't work, then it's most definitely a hardware issue, and you should get in touch with Samsung support for further assistance. Meanwhile, you can use the SmartThings app to use any smartphone as your Samsung Smart TV remote. We already have a video about that on our channel, so you can go ahead and watch that. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.